if we're not liberating those who are the most marginalized, who are facing the most horrendous conditions, then we're not actually liberating anything. Hi, I'm Lexy Reyelts Salas, and I am on a chopping block at visceralchange.org.
How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to season 3 this time of the Chopping Block. I'm here with my first guest of this season. Lexy, how are you today?
I'm great. How are you? Yeah, a lot of my experiences, even with work, either through myself or proximity to my family, was very much rooted in violence against workers. So it was always very important as like a young Mexican girl that you behave, that you don't have sex, you don't have boyfriends, whatever. It was very controlling. And I saw feminism as like this liberating thing of, I don't see men being treated this way. Since the 60s, we've seen the privatization of public institutions and colleges becoming less and less accessible, tuition rising, right? The state divesting from public education as well, to then adopting really this for-profit model. So it's also done in this not genuine way. It's here we have this self-complaining, get to work. If you want changes, you need to fix it. Here you go.